How do we retrieve data when we remember only some letters in a data row and not the entire value? Do you think the search gets difficult? Not in a relational database. In offer the use of string patterns which can be used while searching the data rows which match such conditions. Let us take a look at some examples. Select first name from author where first name like R percentage. The use of percentage after the letter R implies that the data begins with an R and followed by any letter or number. Also, percentage means there is no limit to the number of characters that follow R. Another usage of this string pattern is through the character. This replaces exactly one character as you can see in this example. Select first name, last name from author, where last name like UA percentage. We're searching for the last name of the authors which begins with any character, followed by any letters UA and anything after that. We get to see 3 authors coming out of this query. So far, we have searched data records based on mathematical operators and string patterns. Let's assume we have a need to look for books whose number of pages is more than 290 but less than 300. Do you agree we can write a query like this? Select title pages from book where pages greater than or equal to 90 and pages less than equal 300. Of course, yes, we are able to retrieve the data that we want. Let us rewrite this query using a new clause between and. Select title pages from book where pages between 290 and 300. The result set is same as our previous query, just that this is a better approach of searching in ranges. As the values in the range are inclusive, for introducing the next 2 operators, is and is not, I am inserting a single row with the following values into the book title. As you have noticed, we are inserting a null value into the column year. We shall now see how to retrieve the data when a particular value is null. Is operator is used for fetching null values. Select book ID title year from book where year is null. Likewise, is not operator is used for fetching values which are not null. Select book ID title year from book where year is not null. There are instances where some data values cannot be grouped under ranges such as country. If we need to look for authors from countries AU and BR, we will have to use a query like this. Select first name, last name, country from author where country equals AU or country equals BR. This was a simple statement which could be used. What if we want to list the authors from CA in raw and CN countries? Select first name, last name, country from authors where country equals CA or country equals in or country equals RO or country equals CN. One needs to be very careful while using this long list of conditions. Instead, how about using the in operator? The in operator allows us to specify multiple values in a where clause. This operator will take a list of expressions to compare against. Following statement would return information on authors who being to AU and BR. Select first name last name country from author where country in AU BR.